lugar ninyo? Sa MPS nyo?
Hindi po sir.
Saan?
Bali, ano ko lang po, assistant po sa
Assistant.
ako.
About the ID distribution, paano nyo ginawa yung ID distribution natin?
Sir, bali, ngayon lang po kasi ako pumasok sa TCR, bali, nung ano po, nasa patrol po ako, hindi ko kasi
Hindi. Assuming that you are going to attend a conference meeting, it is clearly indicated in our memo that you have to update the recruitment, you have to give us updates about anything about the KKDAT. So, you have the information and details should be with you. Kasi prior to this meeting. Kasi, i-record natin to. Anong gagawin natin record if you do not have any data about the KKDAT? Diba? You got the memorandum coming from the